Kekuk Tech. In today's video, we have some exciting news for those of you using iOS and iPadOS 17.0. There's a new method to install TrollStore on your device, specifically for version 17.0, and not any other version of iOS or iPadOS 17. This information comes from a post shared on X, formerly known as Twitter, by MasterMike88, and further confirmed by TrollStore's lead developer, Lars Froder, known as Ope334dev. If you have a device running iOS or iPadOS 17.0 and you've been holding off on updates, you're in luck. According to the post, there is now a legitimate method to install TrollStore for all devices on iOS and iPadOS 17.0. While it hasn't been released yet and won't be for some time, it's definitely on the way. Prospective TrollStore users are advised to sit tight and wait for this exciting release. For those unfamiliar, TrollStore is a perma-signing utility that allows iPhone and iPad users to install unsigned apps on their devices without needing the App Store or an Apple ID. Once you download an app file, whether it's a .ipa or .tipa, TrollStore enables you to install it directly on your device without a computer. The best part? The app remains usable virtually forever without needing to re-sign it, unlike other sideloading methods such as AltStore and Sideloadly. That wraps up today's update. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more iOS and jailbreak news. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates from Kekuk Tech.